Jeannie toy! And today we're going opening Smooshy Mushies. Let's go. It's hard. Leaving it for professionals. That exist. Now they say these are supposed to be scented, so let's see. It doesn't really smell that good. Like, smells like
Let me try.
styrofoam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does kind of just smell like styrofoam, I guess.
Well, at least these are cute. I mean,
Yeah.
so this is a little Japanese. Oh, by the way, my brother. Yay. Okay, this is a little. What are they called again? No, the one is. No. It's like a little, you know, those ball things.
Kind of looks like a pie.
Dumpling.
Oh yeah.
Oh
it's
yeah,
a
dumpling.
This is a little dumpling. It's cute. And it doesn't smell like anything either, so I think all of these don't smell like anything. This is a cute little rice ball. I mean rice rice bowl. Oh, by the way, I love chopsticks. Mostly kids don't like them, but I like them. And these are cute. And yep, they all smell like nothing. Like, seriously. Came out this sticker.
Does it say anywhere that it's scented?
Yeah, it's supposed to be scented.
Probably not a good idea to get your foot in it.
Oh,
Okay, now we're trying to get out. Oh, I can just do this. Silly me. And then,
it's like a nice holder for it.
yeah. Yeah. Last one. No, this one goes like this. Okay, these are little keychains. And by the way, just to tell you, if you get one of these, sometimes they can't have the hole all the way through, so you have to like pin it.
That's just a design flaw, really.
Yeah. Yeah, but you can like put.
On the camera.
Okay, I'm sorry for that. Okay, so you can like design these. I think this one should go with this one. And then this one should go with the pink one. I'm sorry. But this one should get it and there. Oh, wait. And then the red keychain goes on there. Oh, that's nice. And then you can put your little cup back. I actually got 2 of these cups because I opened 2 of these whole things. And it says, thank you. I like that. Okay, let's see.
Thank you for purchasing Chinese food.
Oh, thanks. Okay, now I need to find my name. So, my name is... Wait, hold on for a second. My name is... Okay.
Alright, well, while she figures that out, let's take a look at this. So it's a cute little fox guy.
He's squishy.
Yep. It's in a box of Chinese noodles.
Yep.
Smells
I think he's
like-
a little raccoon.
Yep. Is
Yeah,
that
he's a raccoon. Yeah.
like a kind of raccoon fox hybrid.
Yep.
And then we've got this little dumpling. Oh wait, what? It says their names on here. So, this is a red panda.
Oh.
Riley the red panda. This is Dottie the dumpling.
There's names for them.
Detail.
There's actually names for them.
And
Can you read
Rena
this? Can you...
the rice bowl.
No, this is what it says.
Yeah, that's what it is, Jean.
Oh, okay. Did you read it first?
Yeah.
Can you give
And
me
then
a pen or
the
something?
mini bestie bottle.
Yeah.
A pen? I don't know where a pen is.
Okay, maybe I'll not just mark this later.
Okay. Now, did we have anything else we wanted to review?
See you next time, guys. Bye.